Imagine repainting your car as easily as going to the car wash. What if you could customize your car just as simply? Here at PhotoFusion Technologies, our goal is to make liquid coatings unsustainable for use in manufacturing. Powder coating is environmentally friendly and contains no VOCs and no HAPs. Powder coating is limited by the size of its oven. PhotoFusion's paint by laser technology removes the oven and replaces it with directed laser energy. We can take our process to the object instead of the object to the oven. PhotoFusion can reduce the labor, energy, prep, and cleanup costs by up to 65%. Our patented laser application and curing systems will change the coatings industry forever. How would you compete with a process that can coat a ship for a third of the cost? This is just one of the many reasons why PhotoFusion will make paint by laser technology a global industry with this groundbreaking intellectual property. Our patented and proprietary software, techniques, and technologies allow us to apply graphics and coatings on an unprecedented scale. No more environmentally unsustainable and expensive liquid coatings. This mobile and highly efficient technology can be deployed for any job, large or small. These laser systems are manufactured to coat nearly everything and almost everywhere. The target markets that can be reached are everywhere around you. Trains, planes, automobiles, and so much more are just waiting to be laser powder coated. At PhotoFusion Technologies, we make the extraordinary practical.